How to fix USB tethering not working, only charging. So if you want to fix your USB tethering not working, only charging, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Now, after opening your settings, you need to scroll down. And after scrolling down, you need to go with About Phone. Under that, you need to tap on Software Information. Under Software Information, you need to tap on the build number for at least 7 times. And after that, you need to enter your PIN. After entering your PIN, your developer mode will be turned on. Now, after turning on your developer mode, you need to go back and you need to tap on System. And here you will have developer options. Tap on developer options, and here you need to search for an option of tethering hardware acceleration. So once you've searched for it, you need to tap on that option, and here you will have the option, right? So you need to turn this option on. So tap on it, turn it on, and after that scroll down, go with default USB configuration, and here you need to tap on file transfer. So choose the first option, file transfer, and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.